Hello, Dr. James Bogash, expert in health and longevity, and I've made it no surprise that I'm not a big fan of the GLP-1 drugs, and the recent finding that it's linked to age-related macular degeneration, which is the macula is that small area in the back of your eyes that's responsible for a lot of our fine vision. Like, the numbers were pretty small in here, but what this tells me, had you asked me 15 years ago when I was following the whole Byetta and the development of this class of drugs, we would have said that, oh, well, it helps increase beta cells of the pancreas, maybe slows gastric emptying, but just like human physiology, quite frankly, it's so complex that we really don't know what the hell these different systems in the body do until we start shutting them down in very high numbers for in very strong amounts. And so we're going to find over time what GLP-1 is affected, and it's not going to be pretty in all cases.